In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL Boombox 3 to Samsung TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your JBL Boombox 3 and connect it to your Samsung TV. This will allow you to listen to all of the audio coming out of your Samsung TV and output it into the JBL Boombox 3. To do this, you will have to use Bluetooth. If your Samsung TV does not have Bluetooth capabilities, I'm going to give you some alternatives at the end. But all that you have to do is enable Bluetooth on your Samsung TV if you are able to. So go over to the TV's settings menu, navigate to the sound settings, and you will be able to find the sound output option. In there, choose Bluetooth speaker and turn on Bluetooth on your TV. Once Bluetooth is enabled, you have to put your JBL Boombox 3 into pairing mode. So press and hold the Bluetooth button on your JBL Boombox 3 until the LED indicator starts flashing blue and white. Once it is in pairing mode, if you look back into your TV, you will be able to find the JBL Boombox 3 under the list of compatible devices. Now, all that you have to do is use your remote to select it, and once it is selected, it should be automatically paired. If you are prompted, just use the pairing code that is set up by default, so 0000, and now all of the audio coming out of your TV should be output through your JBL Boombox 3. If this doesn't work right away, you can try restarting the TV and the boombox, and you will be able to use it over Bluetooth. Now, if you don't have a Bluetooth-enabled Samsung TV, then you will have to use a wired connection. So usually you will plug the aux cable into the aux port of the JBL Boombox 3 and then the aux port on your Samsung TV. Besides using an aux cable, you will have to look into other ports that are available between your TV and the JBL speaker that you want to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Boombox 3 to Samsung TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.